everybody. On today's vlog, I'm going to be sharing with you an amazing sheet pan dinner that your family is sure to love.
Good morning, everyone. Today has all the fall feelings in the day. I mean, it's like barely 70 degrees. It's in the 60s. It is foggy. It is rainy. It is windy. We're getting some of that tropical storm Hillary, whatever, Hurricane Hillary, kind of coming through Idaho, which is like so weird that it would come through Idaho, but we are. And I'm off to grab Starbucks. I just bought some mums at Costco. And I need to buy another. Mums mean fall to me. So I need to buy another thing of mums at Costco because I'm doing something with them on the front porch. So we're going to run to Starbucks. We're going to get a drink. I don't think the fall drinks are out yet, but we're going to just grab something to feel warm and cozy. And I think we're going to set up the fall home decor today, you guys. I think that it's this kind of a day. If you like anything homemaking, home decor, traditional wife, homeschooling, family, large family vlogs, you will want to hit that red subscribe button and not miss one of our videos at all. We are gonna post so much in the fall and in the winter, and this is my happy season, you guys. This is that time. So let's get going to Starbucks. So we're just gonna do two venti hot chai tea latte. Do you guys hear that? You hear the rain and the thunder? All right, I know it's not September yet, but it's upon us. I can feel it. It's my favorite. Do you hear that? Oh, it's my favorite.
I have a very dear friend who sent some tomatoes from her garden, and oh, there's just something about a beautiful, ripe summer tomato at the end of summer that is just perfect. It's wonderful in a sandwich. They are wonderful in salads. So I'm just kind of cleaning these up, getting them ready to go. My sourdough starter has been extra bubbly, extra happy this last week, and I think it's because I think he knows it's fall. I think that's why.
All right, you guys, so we are going to make a sheet pan dinner. Have you ever done this? This is not like a new thing, but it's something that I have found to be so helpful these last couple weeks with soccer and karate and just everything, homeschool, all that kind of thing, and our busy life and our busy schedule that we've got going on, kind of slowing down. And so we're going to make tonight, it's going to be like a Parmesan ranch chicken. I'm going to put in some red potatoes, and then I'm also going to throw in some zucchini from my neighbor next door who has some amazing zucchinis that they grow, and it's going to be really good. Some garlic. Anyway, let's get into the kitchen and let's start making that right now.
All right, friends, I used an entire shallot for this part of the recipe. You could use an onion. I chose a shallot because I just feel like they have so much more flavor to them. I just roughly chopped that up. Then I took red potatoes, gave them a good scrubbing beforehand, obviously. And again, I did a rough chop on those potatoes. You can make these, you can dice them up as small or as large as you like. We wanted to have them be almost, I don't know, just a little bit larger consistency than super fine and small, but you could do that. Then I took a really good extra virgin olive oil, and as you can see, I'm just going to drizzle that all over the potatoes in a bowl, and that's when all the fun starts. I start adding my onion powder, my garlic powder, all of that. This is not to be confused, just so you know, with onion salt or garlic salt. If you're trying to keep your sodium down, you can add, onion powder and garlic powder, and it adds a wonderful flavor. And don't be afraid to get in there with that. Add as much as you like for taste. Then I threw my shallot that's already been diced up, threw that in there, and threw some Mrs. Dash, the salt-free kind, which adds some beautiful lemony flavors and rosemary and thyme. Got my hands not afraid again to just get in there because it's for my own family. Just really kind of massage it all in there, and then a little bit of pink Himalayan rock salt, just to add some flavor, and then of course some black pepper, and I go heavy on the black pepper. Threw that in there as well. This is optional, but I love garlic, so I threw some chopped garlic, some minced garlic, and this is the easy part, y'all. This is so fun. You just line a cookie sheet with parchment paper or foil, and you throw the potatoes on there, right? And you're gonna put everything on at once. So then I took my zucchini that my neighbor gave to me. He grew in his garden. Again, I'm gonna hit this with all the same spices and flavors, the olive oil, all of that again. Just really make sure you season this well, as zucchini really absorbs those flavors nicely. But this time I used a little bit of Lawry's seasoning salt. I use this on so many things. And then I'm going to use a Parmesan, sour cream, and a Hidden Valley Ranch mix for my chicken cutlets. Okay, so first I'm going to salt and pepper those up just lightly to taste. And then this is where I'll make that sauce that's going to kind of go over the chicken. So I used some sour cream. You could use mayonnaise as well. I took the entire content of the Hidden Valley Ranch, and here you see, this is the beauty of the sheet pan. It's all laid out. I mean, you are just going to stick this in the oven and bake it, you guys. That is it, and you're going to have a gourmet meal. I took that Hidden Valley Ranch mix that I made, and I just kind of smothered it on top of the chicken cutlets, and then I will throw a little bit of Parmesan. I shouldn't even say throw. Delicately lay some Parmesan on top of everything. You can choose to do this just on the chicken. You could do it on everything. We chose to do it on all the veggies, and it will be beautiful when that browns up. I'm going to throw that into the oven. You could do it at 350 for a little bit longer, but instead I chose to do it at 475 for about 35 minutes. And this is what your outcome is. It is so good. It was wonderful. My family raved about it.